Where not to use marble in your house. Dear friends, marble is admired for its timeless elegance and natural beauty, making it a popular choice in interior design. However, despite its luxurious appearance, marble is not suitable for every part of the house. Being a soft and porous stone, it is susceptible to moisture, acids, and abrasion, which can easily damage its surface and diminish its shine over time. While marble is elegant and adds luxury to interiors, it is not ideal for every area of the house. The following places are generally unsuitable for marble installation. 1. Kitchen countertops. Marble is porous and reacts easily with acidic substances like lemon juice, vinegar, and tomato sauce, causing stains and etching. 2. Bathrooms and shower areas. Constant exposure to water and cleaning chemicals can lead to dullness, discoloration, and surface damage over time. 3. Outdoor spaces. Marble weathers poorly in sunlight, rain, and pollution. It can fade and lose its polish quickly. 4. Utility areas and laundry rooms. These zones experience heavy use and exposure to detergents, which can damage marble's finish. 5. High traffic zones, like entryways or corridors. Marble can scratch or wear out easily when exposed to frequent foot movement and grit. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.